Martin Matt here, and in this Photoshop Basics tutorial we're going to be learning how we can move and resize the images that we've just brought in. For this particular project we're trying to make the images fit inside the letters that I can see in my name up here. Let's move this one out of the way. So we want to be able to move them and we want to be able to change their size. To make things nice and easy, at the moment we've got 3 different images. Because I just want to work on one image at a time, I'll just turn the visibility off for now and just be able to focus on one image at a time. So I just select the layer. I'm going to use Control T. Remember, that's our free transform tool. And if I hold down Shift, I can resize the image until I'm happier. I want it to kind of go across that letter M, so I'm thinking, yeah, that'll probably be pretty good at about that size. There we go. So I'm happy with that first one. Now let's go on to the next one. So I turn off the visibility for that one, turn on the visibility, remember, click the eyeball of this one. Now this is a much bigger picture and I really want to keep the subject about the size of the letter. Okay, so as we can see at the moment, okay, I want that subject actually to be a little bit bigger. Okay, so I'll just select the layer. Okay, Control T from my free transform tool, hold Shift. I'm actually going to drag it a little bit bigger. We don't like to do this too much in case we reduce the quality, but because the quality came in nice and high, you should be fine. Okay, so I'm actually quite happy with that at the moment. I'll explain what we do with all of this spare space in another video. So there we go for that one. And our last one was our dog, and again I want the dog to be the size of one of those letters. So make sure we select the pointer layer, Control T, and let's just resize our dog, holding down Shift, so that he's going to be the size of one of the letters. Now I can cheat and make sure it's going to work. If I bring the opacity down, remember down on the layers panel I can adjust the opacity of any one. I bring the opacity down, that lets me see through the dog, so that looks exactly like, yeah, happy with that. There we go. So hopefully from that video you saw how we can move and how we can resize our images.